was carrot sticks without ranch. What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. I was about to make a quick ranch dip for these carrot sticks that I cut up and decided to break out the camera and show you guys how to make it. Once you try this ranch, I promise you'll be looking for anything to dip this in. Alright, let's get right into it because like I said, this is not going to take no time at all. First things first, we're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1 cup of mayo. I like mine real herby, so I'm going to add a lot. This is about 1/2 cup of chives. Alright, we're gonna get some of this dill chopped up. You wanna chop the dill up real fine. Unless you like it chunky. I like it a little chunky, but not that chunky. This dill smells so good. It's just something about fresh herbs, man. Make everything better. Now these fresh herbs and this fresh ranch. You're gonna be making up excuses every day to dip something in it. I'm gonna chop up some parsley. Throw that right in. All right, now we're gonna add a few cloves of garlic. We're gonna keep on going. You know how I feel about garlic. Let's see, 4. I think I'm gonna throw all this, so I'm gonna go 1 whole clove of garlic. Alright, for the garlic, I'm gonna put 1 whole lemon. We almost finished. A little salt and pepper to taste. I like to add a little Cajun seasoning to mine. Not too much, just give it a little extra kick. Then we're gonna mix it up real good. Mix it up real good. Make sure everything. Ooh, it's there. It's there. See those chunks of herbs. That's gonna be so good. It'll be even better if you let it sit overnight. Let all the flavors gel. Yeah. Oops, how did I do that? Like I said, that's all to it. Doesn't take much, a couple ingredients. And I promise you, you'll never want store-bought ranch again. I honestly don't think anybody else will get any of this. I could snack on carrots and fresh ranch all day. If you like this video, hit that like button, smash that subscribe. Once you try this, I promise you'll never buy store-bought ranch again. Takes no time to make and tastes 1,000 times better. I promise.